a day boat.
Bring your own bed here, right?
Wow. Me and Aizen are kayaking and everybody else taking a bamboo boat. Oh my god, he splashed me. There they are. Let's catch up, yo. It's raining. Says
So this one, the 3 dish.
Going to the cave.
So we are going down again.
nobody knows which way to go and the tour guide is behind.
Go up. Are you sure? Why not?
We're going up there. What? Are we still going? Oh, we're still going.
I see Mumbai.
See, I think now we stop, right?
I think so.
They say that.
Come here. Yes, it's my dog now.
Oh, I bring it home. It's quite good at climbing.
Yeah. Look at that.
My name is Jeff.
Going to T-Top Island again.
Yeah.
Just came back from our day trip. And now we're going back out immediately. Time to climb another 400 steps. Hey, you're back. Today the view is less cloudy, so that's good. We did it. I don't know where mom and dad went. I think they're behind. That's our boat.
Yeah, come. Take me inside.
Video. Be back in the room. Tired. Going back to the place that we kayaked. This time we're going to see the Pearl Museum.
everyone must learn how to paint.
Yeah, I'm not going to paint the I also got paint this kind of bird before. Ginger tea.
Can eat? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're
Mine's
so
so
ugly,
ugly.
one.
Dinner time, dinner time, dinner time.